What's up, everyone? My name is Eyeless Wolf. Welcome back to ESAM. Eyeless Wolf sucks at Minecraft. This one's gonna be Hardcore Edition. Oh, wait. Hardcore Edition. You like that? I bet you do. Where do we begin? He goes, you know, we're just gonna get as much. That's a zombie. We're gonna get as much progress as we can. Just gonna mine some. You know, we have some conveniently placed watermelons. It'd be a shame if that zombie. Oh, it disappeared. There's two of them. Okay. So immediately I'm gonna have to like craft a sword or something. Bye. Hell. Are you still chasing me? Yeah. Man! I'm just trying to get some stuffs. Alright? Leave me alone. Where'd he go? I'm scared. Look at the pigs! Why did they change the texture of the pigs? What? Hello, good sir. Hello! Could you point me to the nearest cave? Oh. That was incredibly rude. I wonder... Game is paused? What? Okay. Let's see. What? Oh. Hello. Do you like to be my friend? Yes? Are you my friend now? We have a friend! Okay, we're naming you Terry. Sheep. Terry, we found sheep. What is that flapping I hear in my ear? Where is it? Alright, Terry. Help me spot sheep. Sheep! Hello! That is very loud in my ears. Alright, Terry, you want, okay, it doesn't want to leave me alone. Okay. We have everything we need to craft. Terry, you're flapping in my ears. Can you stop it? Terry, stop. Terry, buddy. Listen to me. Behave yourself. No, alright, Terry, I might actually murder you. Terry, that's right in my ear, Terry! Alright, sweet. Oh, Terry, I swear to God, if you... Are you on my shoulder? God! Please, Terry, get the fuck off of me. Are you off of me? Thank you. Goodness gracious. You are a very loud boyo. A very loud boyo. Did we just find... Okay. I see coal. You see that coal, Terry? Oh, that's right, my crafting table. Thanks for reminding me. Wow! Okay, Terry, here's a treat. Because I love you. Watch out, Terry! Terry! Watch out! Watch out, Terry! No! Oh. I'm gonna look you in your eyes while you die. Well, time to run and see if I survive. Hello, Creeper. Goodbye, Creeper. Boom. Are you okay, Terry? Terry, run! Run, Terry! I can't tell if that hurt you, Terry, or not. Oh, hello, Creeper. I'm a Creeper. My crush gonna Reaper.
私の名はキラヨシカゲ。年齢33歳。自宅は森を
Is that zombie and oh. Give me all of that. Give me all of it. Thank you. Ow! He dropped nothing! That's a scam. Scam. Hello, spy. There's a fucking spy. Okay, Ooh. Okay, what do I, I'm kinda scared, low-key. Oh no. Oh no, I hear all sorts of noises. Ah! Ah! You know what? I'm just gonna cry in this hole. Whew! That was really close. Terry! Terry! No! Terry! Terry, no! Oh no, Terry! Rest in peace, Terry. Oh! Are you having conversations with the enemy, Terry? Hello, Creeper! Come here, Terry! Alright, Terry. We escaped the night. Creeper! Hello, Creeper! Come here, come here. Oh, wait, no, I don't want Terry to get hurt. Never mind. Okay, so what's next on the list? I think we should... The sun's finally coming up. Thank God. Why is it moving so quickly, though? I don't like that. Give me some watermelons. Which one's faster, though? Alright, Terry. I have 13 watermelons and 3 seeds. Do you need some seeds, Terry? What, Terry? Oh! Terry! Where were you? Terry! You were hiding from me! What are you doing? Terry, no! Terry, no, I'm sorry! Cave. Cave. Cave? Ooh, cave. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, this is terrible. Okay, there's iron down there. If I die, the world is over. Yeah. What do you think, Terry? Is that you? Hello? Is that a baby zombie? I need your armor, sir. Donate. Terry, fuck. Yes. Terry's always fucking with me. Alright, Creeper. Terry, sit down. Ouch. My helmet's almost broken. I need to do this slowly. Yes. No, run! Oh my god, I hate those guys. My butt cheeks have never clenched harder. Okay. Alright, Terry. Keep a watch out for me. I hear a zombie. I just need about 20 iron, and then I'll be on my way, you know? Just 20, you know? That's a reasonable number. Is there anything down there? I know I saw like a little patch. But I do want to explore this surface area first. Terry. Owning you was a mistake. Okay, this side is just infested with mobs. This side, not so much. I'd better infect it with my light before any more spawn in. Hello, bat. For a moment, that looked like God, I think my brain is slowly melting. I'm at 29. I think 30 is reasonable. What do you think? Run, Terry! No! Oh, no. Terry. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry, Terry. Give me that. Owning you was a mistake. You like to be my friend? Yeah. Oh, my poor, no! Fine. Harry. Alright, everyone, that's pretty much it for ESAM episode. ESAM Hardcore mode episode. I have forgotten how many ESAMs I've made so far, but R.I.P. Terry. We will return to this world, and we will advance. So, subscribe, like the video, type R.I.P. Terry in the comments, and I'll see you all next time. Okay, you might kill me. Oh my god! Yes! What the f- Open. Okay. Oh, wait. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to be destroyed. Okay. Oh, yes! It's 5 kills! Exit! What?
Should be good. You see those items over there?
Hey,
No!
Goodbye! Yeah! Oh my god!